For this vegan blueberry beet smoothie, wash any remaining dirt off the beet. Cut off the ends and peel off the indigestible, inedible skin. You have the option of using a golden beet, which I'm using here, or a red beet, which has more nutrition but an earthier flavor. The orange beet has a more tropical vibe. I like them both. The only reason why I'm using this beet here is because it was the only variety available. Dice the beet in very small pieces to make it easier to break down in your blender. Raw beets are very fibrous, so start with a small amount, no more than a quarter cup to start. I also like to add the diced beet to salads. Save the rest by putting it in a small glass bowl, cover, and store in the refrigerator. Add 1 cup of almond milk, 2 large, very ripe frozen bananas, because the riper they are, the sweeter they are. Make sure those bananas are broken into 1-inch pieces and then pop them in your high-speed blender with a quarter of the diced beet, with 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 teaspoon vanilla powder, or if you're using vanilla extract, just make sure it's alcohol free so your smoothie doesn't taste like an alcoholic beverage. Add 1 tablespoon of Anthony's peanut powder, which has only 33 calories and 1 gram of fat. The reason why I like using the peanut powder instead of peanut butter, it's lower in calories and lower in fat. For instance, the full fat peanut butter has 8 grams of fat, and this is only 1 gram. That's a huge difference. Blend on low using your tamper to press it down until nice and creamy. Pour carefully into a large glass, trying not to make a mess like me. Drizzle on top with balsamic vinegar and enjoy with a large spoon to savor every last bit. Recipe and notes in YouTube description.